5G mobile or 4G mobile, which one do you have to buy? So in this video I will clear up every single doubt of yours about this 5G or 4G or every G of this confusion. So let's start the video. Friends, let's suppose we have two mobiles, unknown mobiles. One is having the 5G one is having a 5G bands and 5G processor, and the other is having 4G bands and 4G processor. The other features of these mobiles are like the 5G mobile has just 5G processor, and all the things, all the features are average, above average and average type of features. Let's say this 4G mobile may have a 4G processor, but all the remaining features are super extreme, like a gaming centric mobile features. Now let's raise this question: which mobile do I have to buy, 5G or 4G? In my opinion, the 5G is going to take up to 2.5 years to implement throughout the India, into the ground level. Like the rural areas also needs 5G. If anybody in the rural area lives, you are a rural area person, you need to buy if you want to buy a 5G mobile, then we also need to have 5G antennas and 5G towers around us. So it will take up to easily 2 to 2.5 years because of this pandemic situation also, one thing. And when it comes to 5G spectrum, we don't know what kind of bands the government gonna give to this sell to these mobile companies, and what are the bands they're gonna implement throughout the India. So 5G spectrum needs to, first of all, government has to sell this 5G spectrum, and then the mobile companies have to buy the spectrum and implement them throughout this India, in our country. So then only we can adapt this 5G speeds. So in my opinion, a mobile has all of the features according to your requirements, but only the lack of thing is 5G, and the processor is also great. In that situation, I suggest you to buy a 4G mobile if you want to use the mobile up to 1 to 2 years. And if you want to buy a mobile which you have to use 3 to 4 years, then definitely not go with the 5G mobile, because we don't know what kind of bands are gonna come up in India for usage of 5G spectrum. And most of the mobile companies are giving like using the gimmicks like 5G mobile, but the actual thing is they are using the 5G word by giving us just 2 to 3 antenna bands of 5G. So there is a gimmick of these companies using to sell their mobiles because of the 5G, because they are having 5G. Let's take a look at this OnePlus 9 Pro. This mobile is released in India with just 2 bands of 5G bands. And in the international variant, we can get up to 10 to 12 bands, I think. So flagship mobile like this OnePlus 9 Pro having just 2 antenna bands, and you are buying that mobile just because of 5G, 70,000 rupees for just 2 antenna bands. So that's not gonna worth it. Instead, you can buy ROG Phone 5, ROG Phone, anything like that. And instead you want to buy Oxygen OS features, then you can go with this OnePlus 9 that has some 5 to 6 bands, I think, of 5G spectrum. So in my opinion, if you have the budget of a certain limit, then you have to choose the mobiles which are coming under that budget, even though are 5G and 4G. Even those are 5G or 4G. Let's suppose we have two mobiles under 30k. Those are iQOO 3. Yeah, it may be an older mobile, but a great mobile at the price range. And Realme X7 Pro, the Dimensity 1000 plus processor mobile. It is a 5G processor, and this iQOO 3 mobile 865 variant, 4G variant mobile, but it is a great mobile under budget. If you want to choose, if you have a situation like you have to choose one of these mobiles, and you have only budget to buy only one mobile, then I will definitely suggest you to buy the iQOO 3, because it is a great performer than this Realme X7 Pro. Dimensity 1000 plus processor is a bit slower than this iQOO 3's Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 mobile. So if you want to buy Realme X7 Pro just because of 5G, then it's not gonna worth it. You will lost everything you have. Instead, that high refresh rate display. So these are things you have to. So in the conclusion of this video is, if you want to buy a mobile just because of 5G, then you have to rethink about the mobile's features, and you have to look into my opinion, buying a 5G mobile just because it has 5G is not that correct. Buy a mobile according to your usage, even it's a 4G mobile under budget. So 5G is gonna take a long time to implement throughout the India, man. So that's it for the video.